story? Obviously, the markets. We've got the yield on the 10-year Treasury. I mean, this is extraordinary. 3.86%. A couple of hours ago, it was well above 4% for the first time since 2008. Enormous swings in bond prices. As for stocks, the S&P 500 hit a new bear market low yesterday. Very modest bounce so far this morning. David Nicholas with us this morning, our market watcher. All right, David, are we going further south from here?
Well, Stuart, no question we're in a bear market, but this is shaping up. This could be the mother of all bear markets. What I mean by that is there's really been nowhere to hide. If you look at some of the more defensive areas of the market, take consumer staples. Consumer staples is down 8% for the month. Look at utilities. Utilities is down 12% for September. Look at Apple. You just mentioned it. Selling off because something exactly what we talked about a couple of weeks ago, Stuart. iPhone sales are down. So, look, policy mistakes were made that got us here, but my fear is, Stuart, why I think we could go lower is I think something could break, and we're already seeing that with what the actions of England's central bank did this week. So, yes, I think we could go lower.
When you say something will break, what are you talking about?
We'll start from a macro level. There's a great battle happening right now, and that battle is between the federal government and the Federal Reserve. So if you look at the actions of England's central bank, what's been happening is our Federal Reserve has been buying our debt, both under the Trump administration and under the Biden administration. That's now done. And who's going to buy a 30-year government bond yielding 3.5%? It's just not going to happen. And so what happened in England is they said, look, we've got to go in and start buying these bonds. That's a shock. And I think that's the first central bank to do that. And we're going to see other governments around the world having to step in. And that is my fear, is that we've got this unknown. And then we also have earnings to talk about that's coming down the line as well. So, yes, Stuart, I'm pretty adamant on this. Unfortunately, I think we are going lower from here.